northbound on Ludwig.
Reckless Mercedes-Benz reaches 145 miles per hour during dangerous high-speed chase in South Bay. Suspects flee at high speeds during dangerous chase through Los Angeles, Orange County. Reckless Mercedes-Benz reaches 145 miles per hour during dangerous high-speed chase, with Arkansas State Police ending with successful pit maneuver.
That's 262 for the 14.
See if you can patch this cover up.
2 a.m. Tuesday, May 14th, 2024, Interstate 30, West Frontage Road. A black Mercedes sedan, driving at high speed, overtook the patrol car. The officer immediately activated his emergency lights and sirens and began pursuing the reckless Mercedes. When entering Interstate 430 North, speeds reached about 145 miles per hour. The patrol tried to stop the car, but the car was very fast and balanced, and the suspect was passing in front of the patrol.
Eastbound on We're actually going to go northbound on Ludwig. I believe this is.
The suspect's vehicle suddenly took the Route 4 ramp, and the vehicle pursuit continued into the John Barrow area of Little Rock. It was a dangerous, high-speed chase through a residential area. When the car attempted to turn onto 36th Street in front of John Barrow I.
Ludwig.
Ludwig.
East on 40th. Northbound Barrow.
On Barrow.
They might have just called something at the intersection of Barrow and Ludwig.
Possibly call something at Barrow and Ludwig.
TVI 36 Ludwig.
TVI 36 Ludwig.
The patrol officer maneuvered the Mercedes, and the suspect finally lost control of the vehicle. The suspect stopped near the wall. The driver got out of the driver's door and started running on foot. The officer followed behind him until he was able to arrest the man behind a residence a few blocks away from the suspicious car. Two unidentified passengers were seen exiting the vehicle after the officer followed a driver. Then they opened the doors stealthily and quickly and fled. Dangerous, high-speed chase in South Bay, Los Angeles County, California. Tuesday, April 30th, 2024. Police chase suspect and possible rooftop burglary. Suspect is in custody after leading deputies on high-speed chase in Torrance. The suspect was driving a black Audi, traveling at least 90 miles per hour at one point on Interstate 405 in the Torrance/Carson area. The suspect exited the vehicle, which was still moving, near Western Avenue and 190th Street in the Gardena area. You can see the suspect rolling to the ground and then getting up again before walking toward the Sky Zone trampoline project when the car crashes into a pole. Authorities and helicopters lost the suspect, but some witnesses told deputies he may have entered Sky Zone. 9 students from a local college were celebrating the end of their semester in film and television. The group was asked to evaluate while law enforcement personnel searched for the suspect. One said, "It was fairly calm at first, but when we saw more officer cars appear, we said, well, maybe it would be a good idea to hurry up and get somewhere safe." The suspect was found hiding in the bushes outside the building and was taken into custody shortly after. Los Angeles County Sheriff Robert Luna watched the chase from the ABC 7 studio. In this case, they were very effective. They ended up arresting a very dangerous individual who was wanted at least initially for robbery and possibly murder, Luna said. Detectives searched the suspect's car and the surrounding area for evidence. The suspect was found hiding in bushes outside of the building and was taken into custody shortly after. No one was hurt. Suspects flee at high speeds during dangerous chase through Los Angeles, Orange County. Orange County, California. Saturday, May 25, 2024 at 7:34 a.m. The suspects in a Chevy Cruze reached speeds in excess of 100 miles per hour as they fled from police through Los Angeles and Orange County. Two people were arrested Friday night after leading police on a dangerous high-speed chase through Orange County. The chase began in the San Pedro-Wilmington area when LAPD Harbor Division officers began pursuing a reckless driver. The driver took Interstate 605 and transferred to Interstate 405 into Orange County. They went out on MacArthur Street in the Irvine/Santa Ana area. The suspect's vehicle was traveling at speeds of up to 120 miles per hour on the southbound lanes of Interstate 405 in Orange County. The driver was weaving dangerously through traffic. The suspect, who was driving a blue Chevy Cruze, was seen speeding through red lights. Just before 9 p.m., the suspect entered John Wayne Airport, where California Highway Patrol units were nearby. The suspect eventually stopped at a parking structure where two people were arrested.